All right, next up we're going to do number 8 here. So first of all, on number 8, I see that we have some parentheses here. And so anytime we have parentheses in one of these equations, we want to go ahead and distribute whatever's in front of those because we want to get rid of those parentheses. So I'm just going to change this into negative 42 minus 35x by multiplying both of those by negative 7. I don't want to forget about that negative 8x that was back there. And then we have 38 minus 3x on this side. Next thing I notice is that we have here like terms on the same side. So anytime we have like terms on the same side, so both things that have an x in them or just two things that have numbers in them, I want to combine those. So I'm going to do negative 35 minus 8. So they're going to combine, they're going to add together to make a bigger negative number. So that'll be negative 43x. And then this negative 42 is still going to be there. And then we have 38 minus 3x on this side. Okay, so now I see here, and I'm going to make a note over here, when we have variables on both sides, because these are challenging to solve when we have variables on both sides. What you always want to do is you want to get the variables on one side, numbers on the other. Okay, so variables on one side, numbers on the other. So it doesn't matter which goes where. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll move all my variables to the left, and so I'm going to add this 43x to the other side, so that'll make it go away. And so now I got my variables on the left-hand side. So I'm going to add these together, negative 3x plus 43x. So that's going to be a positive 40x. Since we have a positive and a negative there, they actually subtract. And so there you go. Okay, so then next up, since I got my variables on the left-hand side, I want to get my numbers on the right-hand side. So I want to get rid of this 38. So I'm going to subtract the 38. So my number is now going to move to the right side. So I got my equals in the middle, I got my variables on the left, I got my numbers on the right. So this number here is negative 42 plus negative 38. And so those are going to add together, make a bigger negative, and it's going to be negative 80. All right, and then last step here to isolate the variable, I'm going to divide both sides by 40. So this will cancel that out, and I'll get x equals negative 2. All right, next up here on number 10, once again I have a parentheses here, so I want to distribute. Now there's no number there, there's just a negative, so I'm going to distribute that negative, and so that becomes negative 1 plus 5x. And this side will keep it the same as 13 plus 7x. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and once again I have variables on both sides of the equal sign, so I want all my variables on one side, all my numbers on the other. I always like my variables on the left-hand side, so I'm going to move these over here, or move that 5x over there so it's gone from the right side. Once again, you can move the variables to the right side. That's fine. Either way, you should get the same answer. All right, so then I also want to get rid of this. I also want to move this 13 over. Oh, so I got 2x here. 7 minus 5 is 2, so that's going to be 2x. But now I want to move my variables to the right-hand side, so I'm going to subtract 13 over here on the other side of the equal sign. And so I add those down, and that'll be negative 1 minus 13. So those are both negatives, so they'll add together to make a bigger negative. So that's negative 14. All right, last up, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get rid of that 2 right there, and I'm going to get x equals negative 7.